down. Did you know that you can actually be able to purchase a commercial deal, a apartment complex, retail strip center, a washateria, gas station, and you can do it with no money down? Did you even know that was even possible? Hey guys, Angelo Christian coming to you today talking about commercial funding deals with no money down. Did you know that you can actually be able to purchase a commercial deal, a apartment complex, retail strip center, a washateria, gas station, and you can do it with no money down? Did you even know that was even possible? It is. We have the opportunities here to get up to 100% loan to value on purchasing your commercial deal, whether it's a restaurant, it's a retail strip center, apartment, we don't care. We're able to fund on our hard money private funding up to 100% loan to value. Let me explain to you how it works. Now you might say, how is that even possible? People can't even believe that's true in 2019. Yes, we can do it. I've funded the deals. I have the closing statements I can show you. People have bought commercial deals with Angelo Christian with 100% loan to value, right? The way it works is we'll make a loan to you up to 50% of the deal. So I'll give you an example, one that we just did in Chicago. He bought a $1 million retail strip center in downtown Chicago. We gave him a first mortgage for $500,000. The seller carried a second note for $500,000. So he had two mortgages and he got 100% loan to value, no money down, and even rolled in all of his closing costs. So the deal is you have to have the seller carry the second mortgage, and then you can get zero down funding. Now, if the seller is savvy, he's in real estate, he's usually not going to have a problem doing this. If it's an individual that doesn't understand real estate, the deal is not going to work out. But if the seller knows what's going on, and they know about real estate deals, because this is the strategy behind it, is you're going to go purchase the property, take title to it, right, and then refinance and pay off the seller in 6 months or a year. You're not going to keep his second note for forever. It's just to take down the property and buy it with zero down, because most commercial banks and lenders are going to want 20 to 40% down on a commercial deal, whether it's a mobile home park, whether it's a washateria, a casino, a restaurant, apartment complex. Does everyone have 20 to 40% down? A lot of people don't. Should that mean they get denied, they can't have their opportunity, their dream, to be able to buy their deal? No, you should be able to still get funding on it. So this is a unique opportunity to have you have the agility to go quickly purchase that property. We can close as fast as 30 days. The only thing you have to pay out of pocket for is the appraisal. You do have to pay for the appraisal. But other than that, you can get your closing costs wrapped into the deal. You can get the seller to carry the second note. The key to this is having the seller carry the second note. As long as the seller carries the second note, you're good to go, and then we can get those closing costs wrapped into it, and then it's a done deal. Boom, we can close you. And then again, you can carry the second note with the seller for as long as you guys have that agreement, or you can refinance, take him out, and pay him off later. But it allows you to be able to buy the property, take it down, own it, take title, and then you can have it, and then you can do what you want with it. So it is possible and totally legitimate and real to be able to buy commercial real estate in 2019 with Angelo Christian with zero down. This is the strategy and exactly how we do it. So if you're looking to get funding, you're a serious investor, you know a seller that will carry a second note, give me a call, 832-431-6331. My name's Angelo Christian. I'd love to hook you up, get you funding so you can own your commercial property today. Take care, guys. Peace out. Make the most of yourself. Bye-bye.